Hello friends, welcome to Learn Positive with Pradeep Kumar. If you're seeing my channel, like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon. Manufacturing process, Unit 1, Foundry Technology, Part 2. If you want to see my previous videos, click the I button on the top of the video and see all my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Topic to be covered: pattern materials, factors considering for selecting of pattern material and properties of good pattern material. We will see about pattern materials. So the pattern is made from the following materials. They are wood, metal, plaster, plastic and wax. So we will see by one. First one is wood. So wood is a very widely used pattern material, and it is the wood commonly used are teak wood, mahogany wood, pine wood, walnut wood and deodar woods. It is desired shape. It gives desired shape and finishing easily. So wood is the cheapest one too. So the advantages of wood is it is cheap and easy to available, lightweight, easy for making required shape and size. The disadvantages of wood is due to moisture, it will change its shape and size. It is not suitable for machine molding due to the force given by the ram. The wood will be broken out. So it is not used for suitable for mass production. Due to the moisture, the wood will be changed in shape and it will be broken in number of times. So the next one is metal. So it is used where large number of castings are to be made, but it needs a wood pattern called master pattern, because every pattern has to be a master pattern. The wood is known as the master pattern here. Basically cast iron, brass, aluminium and white metal are commonly used metal in this pattern. Aluminium is best for the pattern making due to lightweight, easy work and high resistance to corrosions. Brass is suitable for small size pattern due to the cost. And white metal is used for making pattern complicated shapes and to give fine shapes. The advantages of metal pattern is it is good in machinability and also stable in dimension. It is good in surface finish and accuracy, suitable for mass production. It is high strength and gives more life. The disadvantage of metal is it is high cost production. The machining is difficult and it needs master pattern to form the metal pattern. So the next one is plaster. So gypsum cement is known as plaster. It is made by pouring the mixture of plaster and water into the mold prepared by using master pattern. So it is used for making small patterns and core boxes. Advantages of plaster is easy to make complicated shapes. It is cheaper, high compressive strength. The disadvantages of plaster is cannot be used for large size patterns. The next one is plastic. So in plastic we have two type of plastics. One is thermoplastic and another one is thermoset plastic. The thermoset plastic is stronger enough than the thermoplastic. So the thermoplastics are used for small number of productions. The thermoset plastic is used for large number of castings due to its strength. Most generally used plastics are epoxy resin, with fillers, PU foam. These kind of plastics are generally used. The advantages of plastics are less in weight, easy to formability, smooth surface finish, durable, dimensionally stable, and good resistance to wear and absorption. So the next one is wax pattern. It is a final pattern. So it is produced by paraffin wax, shellac wax, microcrystalline wax and beeswax. The liquefied wax is poured into a split die. It was given in the first diagram. Split die. Then the die is cooled and wax pattern is taken out. Basically, it is used in investment casting. The advantages of wax pattern is accurate shape, suitable for investment casting, and it gives good surface finish. And we are now going to see about the next topic, factors considering for selection of pattern material. Now see what are the factors it considers. First factor is the number of casting to be produced. So when large number of casting are to be produced, metal casting are preferred. Second one is quality of casting to be produced. So if the casting requires good surface finish and accuracy, metal or plastic pattern are used. The third factor is possibilities of design changes. Due to different design changes, we should move to the investment casting called wax. So intensity of the casting to be produced. So the complicated shapes are used in white metal pattern. Methods of casting or molding. For machine molding, we use metal pattern. The white metal pattern are used in die casting. Plaster pattern are used in loam molding. And the next topic is property of good pattern material. Now we see the properties. The pattern should be easily worked, shaped and joined. It should be light in weight and it should be strong, hard and durable. It should be resist the wear, absorption, corrosion and chemical reaction. So it should avoid all of this. Unaffected by variations in temperatures. So it should be suitable for in any temperature. It should avail at low cost. It should be repairable and reusable. Friends, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.